Good morning, everybody. This is Amador-Lankster, and welcome to our last week of becoming a teacher. As you know, this is week 4, and this will conclude our 4-week term for this course. Let me just give you the overview of week 4 at a glance so you have a good understanding of how we're going to work during this week. You will complete a PowerPoint lecture called Conductive Effective Classroom Observations. Now, this is an important part of your program because you will be asked to arrange for different types of field experiences during your foundations and methods courses. So we want you to start getting familiarized with some of the protocols connected to conducting effective classroom observations. You will need to identify a school that you are familiar with or comfortable with, and you will be able to conduct your 4-hour field experiences for each of the courses. So we will discuss this a little more at our Blackboard Collaborate tomorrow. You will also be able to watch 4 separate observation videos, 2 on elementary, both lower and upper grades, and 2 on middle and high school. Now, this will allow you to also engage in a pretty interesting discussion this week on our week 4 discussion about what you observed and how you observed it. And again, it gives you a good practice space to begin to look at other teachers and other teachers' classrooms. Within your week 4, you will also have a program checklist assignment. Okay, and so what we want to make sure is that you actually look at the program checklist, and you need to complete the form by checking each acknowledgement box and signing the document. You will be asked to submit the completed and signed checklist as a scanned document or a JPEG photo file. It's important that you keep this for your records. It's part of your process. And actually, thank you to those of you who've already submitted to me your progress update for the completion of your credential packet. I am very pleased to see that many of us have already completed the credential packet, and some of us are almost done with that. Understand fully well that you will not be able to enroll in foundation courses unless our credential specialist team has your completed credential packet on file. Okay, so I encourage you all to complete that credential packet as soon as possible, possibly before this course is over, if not immediately after, because again, you will not be allowed to enroll in foundation courses unless the credential packet is on file. You have a little extra time to complete your CBES and CSET because both exams are actually required to before you can enroll in methods. So you have a little time here because you'll completing 4 foundation courses. Again, I applaud all of you who've already taken the CBES and passed, and those of you who've already assertively registering for CSET. I think that is wonderful, and that's the way to go. You will also have an opportunity to have a discussion. It's called the Inspired Teacher Collaboration Presentation Discussion. I have actually received all of your Inspired Teacher group collaboratives as yesterday, and I have uploaded them onto the course shell. Please check the announcement board to explain where those can be found. I'm expecting you all to view all of the Inspired Teacher Collaborative presentations and select 2. Those 2 will help you engage in this last Inspired Teacher Collaboration presentation discussion, where you're going to actually respond and analyze 2 of them, and you're going to present and give feedback to your colleagues. It will all be done through a discussion board. Finally, as you know, we have our showcase platform rationale. On the very first week of our course, I gave you a Google link for you to start looking at possible different platforms that you might choose to utilize for your showcase. This rationale obviously is going to allow you the opportunity to share with me what is the platform, what are the technology platforms that you're looking at. Is it a website? Is it going to be a digital portfolio? Are you looking at a YouTube channel? Are you looking at a Zimbaloo or a Padlet? What are you looking at in terms of your platform for the showcase? And actually, this is something that we'll also be discussing tomorrow, because as you know, tomorrow, Tuesday, October 24th, we are holding our last Blackboard Collaborate session from 7 to 8. For the first half an hour, from 7 to 7:30, we will have Dr. Nedra Crow, my chair, who will actually come to our meeting as a guest, and she will be able to share with us the latest and greatest about the TPA 2.0 cycle 1s and 2. I know many of you had questions for me last week, and I shared with you that my chair, Dr. Neda Crow, will be visiting us in Blackboard Collaborate tomorrow night. So from 7 to 7:30, we will do TPA 2.0 cycles 1 and 2. From 7:30 to 8, we will be talking about precisely the presentations that you did on the Inspire Educator, and we'll also be focusing on the Showcase platform rationale. In other words, what have you chosen as your platform for the showcase? So I know the time will go very, very fast, but I'm hoping that you can all participate tomorrow. Again, it's an optional session. It is not for credit, but I encourage you all to be part of it. Well, this is our last week. As you can see, our course has gone extremely fast as always, but I'm very pleased to see the level of work and the collaborative effort that you've all demonstrated. It's just been a pleasure and a joy. So I will see you all tomorrow in Blackboard Collaborate at 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Have a great couple of days. Bye-bye.